In WordPress, adding payment methods involves utilizing plugins or integrating external payment gateways. Here's a guide. Select Payment Gateway plugin. Access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for and install a payment gateway plugin that suits your needs. Popular options include WooCommerce for e-commerce sites, PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Install and activate plugin. Once chosen, click Install and then Activate to enable the payment gateway plugin on your WordPress site. Configure settings. After activation, go to the plugin settings. This is usually found under WooCommerce or a dedicated payment settings section. Enter necessary details such as API keys, account information, or currency settings provided by the payment gateway provider. Add payment method. Within the plugin settings, select the specific payment methods you want to offer to your customers. For example, credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other methods supported by the plugin. Customize checkout page. Configure the appearance and arrangement of payment options on your checkout page to streamline the user experience. Test transactions. Before going live, perform test transactions using different payment methods to ensure they work correctly and that funds are processed accurately. Go live. Once everything is set up and tested, make your site live and start accepting payments through the added methods.